Are you tired of hiring actors and spending hours recording videos? Introducing the revolutionary AI Spokesperson Video Builder. This groundbreaking technology creates studio-quality videos in just minutes. Imagine having a realistic AI spokesperson deliver your message without needing cameras, actors, or editing skills. This system uses advanced AI to generate videos with perfect lip sync, natural voice, and emotion. With this tool, you can select from lifelike male or female presenters of varying ages and styles. The ultra-realistic AI voice engine makes voiceovers simple. Just type your script and get an instant voiceover. Multi-language support means you can reach global audiences effortlessly. Create custom backgrounds for your videos and personalize avatars to match your brand's identity. With built-in auto captions, professional transitions, and one-click export, you can publish your videos directly to social media or download them in HD, watermark-free. You don't need to be tech-savvy. The process is as simple as picking your presenter, adding your script, and hitting generate. You can scale your content by producing unlimited videos without any burnout. Your investment today is just $14.95 compared to the regular price of $597 per month. That's a saving of $1,000 every month. Plus, the first 100 buyers get free access to the voice cloning add-on. AI-generated spokesperson videos have outperformed traditional ads, driving higher conversions and sales. You can create everything from sales videos to course intros, all in one intuitive platform. Remember, this offer includes commercial rights, meaning you can sell the videos you create. You're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring you have nothing to lose. Unlock the future of video marketing with AI Spokesperson Video Builder now. Take action today and see how easy it is to transform your video content strategy. Get instant access to the AI Spokesperson Video Builder and start creating engaging videos that sell effortlessly. What are you waiting for?